Hello guys, and welcome to Different Russia channel. In this video I want to ask you some questions. My channel is growing and the number of viewers, the number of subscribers is also growing. From one point of view that is very good, but also it has some problems because it takes too much time to answer all your comments, all your questions. So first of all, I'm very sorry I can't answer all the questions that I get. I have already told you that sometimes it takes me 2 or 3 hours just to answer the comments. And many people, I have noticed, are very disappointed because they write to me on Facebook and they ask some questions in comments under the videos and they do not get my answers. So that is just because I have no time to answer to everyone. Some people do not have any particular questions, they just want to chat about something. Well guys, I do not have time on all these things because I have to work. I go to my office almost every day. I have my family, so also to make the video takes a lot of time. For example, to make one small episode, that is about 4 or 5 hours. I film about 1 hour and from this I take about 10 minutes, so 10%. And also compile everything in some special program. I make my videos in Sony Vegas for those who have asked. Then I have to render the video, I have to load it on YouTube, I must write tags. So a lot of things to do before you see this video. It is a very long process and it takes too much time. Also, I answer comments and it takes about 1, 2, 3, 4 hours during the day. YouTube is not my main occupation, my main job, that is just my hobby. Unfortunately, I can't devote too much time to it, just maybe 2-3 hours during the day. So I have described the situation in a few words, and now what I wanted to ask you. I know that it is possible to have streams when YouTuber communicates with the audience. I'm not sure how to do this because I have never done this. That will be some new thing for me. But if that is of any interest to you, I think it is possible to have one stream a week, for example, during, I don't know, 30 or 50 or 60 minutes, so 1 hour stream, when you may ask your questions. During this hour, it will be possible to communicate with you. I'm not sure that many people are interested in this. Besides, we live in different time zones, so when it is daytime here, it is night in America. If the idea of one stream a week interesting for you, please let me know in comments. And also please write what day of week it would be preferable for you. I think that it will be once a week, about 1 hour. You may join this stream and ask all the questions you have. I think it will be better to make such streams because usually people have the same questions, and in this way I may answer not only to one person but to many people. So guys, thank you for watching. Please write comments whether it is of any interest for you or not, and please, if it is interesting for you, write the day of week when you would like to have such streams. So, thank you, goodbye, see you soon, пока!